All right, I am at this enclosure that we built. It's been a couple of months ago now, but the homeowners have finally gotten some furniture in here, and I just kind of wanted to do a little walkthrough and explain what we built here and kind of go over the project. So let me turn this around. So we have a sunroom with a tile floor, a bunch of windows. It's got a drywall ceiling, some recessed lights, a fan. It's pretty nice. It looks very finished. It looks just like any interior. When we got here, this was a screened porch. There was actually a small deck right over here in this corner that had some stairs that went down. The homeowners were not interested in having the stairs. We pulled those off. Then we had to reframe some stuff. So over this wall of windows here, we actually have a 22-foot triple LVL, and that is how we're carrying the entire weight of the floor system above us, and it is transferred down in these two corners here and here. We actually had to modify the footer, and it's a 4x4 by 4 foot footer to carry basically the whole corner of this house up in the air. But we reframed all the walls, supplied new custom windows. As you can see, they're not very traditional. They've kind of got a taller picture at the top and then a little awning window at the bottom. So it's a pretty cool little concept. Kind of allows you to, when you're standing, you can see a lot up above, and anybody that's down below doesn't necessarily see into the space. But then we, drywall, trim, windows, electrical, and then we did this floor that's really, really cool. I think this is one of the coolest aspects of this whole build is this tile floor. So I think overall this turned out really, really sharp. So this is the screen porch we enclosed to make into a home office. This is actually the upstairs. We did the same thing down below. It's a little bit bigger down below in the sunroom. It's about 6 feet deeper, but this used to be a screened-in porch. Had wood columns, wood handrails, some screens. Actually, I think that up here didn't even have screens. I think just downstairs did. So this was all, wood decking. This wall over here was siding, and then this wall on this side was siding too. The ceiling was that old beadboard. So yeah, we ended up demoing all of that. We put in an LVL. Over here on this far wall up there is a solid LVL that spans the whole width of this wall so that we could put that window wherever we wanted. And then down below we did the same thing. We've got a triple LVL down below so that we could put that wall of windows in. Had that specifically engineered to transfer the loads all as needed, but that way we could finish the space up here however the homeowners wanted. Which I think it turned out pretty sharp. We've got 2 twin windows, drywall, nice trim that matches the rest of the house. It's got some recessed lighting, a hanging fixture from the ceiling, duct work to keep the space conditioned. We used the same floor that they have in the rest of the house, so everything matches and really looks like it flows from one room to the next.